Graphic with DJ.
Hello, and welcome to the world of graphic design training on YouTube. If you're looking to enhance your graphic design skills, there are numerous channels available to provide you with valuable insights, tips, and tutorials. One such channel could be Graphic with DJ. Join Graphic with DJ today and embark on a creative journey that will empower you to transform your design ideas into stunning visual realities. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest design tutorials and industry insights. Happy designing!